Hey guys, just want to show you a little something on the booster pump. I guess we've had this thing a year and a half. We don't use it all the time, but we do like it. We do use it. We've got the remote control valves and the remote up there. But this is the unloader, and this thing blew off on a job the other day. And so my suggestion is, evidently these go bad. My suggestion is to make sure you have one on hand so that you can replace it pretty quick. I've got a couple on order. One is to replace this and the other is to have a backup. But this thing just shot up, and bleach and everything started coming up through here. So we were actually able to screw it back down, and on a job today though, because the water is plumbed all through this, it actually blew off again. And it's actually stripped to threads. We can't actually screw it down anymore. But so when it blew off, we actually had to disconnect this hose here and run it up into the tank so the water would go into the tank and not keep coming out of there. But just want to make you guys aware of that. I would make sure you have one of these spares if you've got a booster, and that way you can be back up and up running pretty quick. I had mine shipped 2-day air, so I'll have it tomorrow and then we can replace it. But just food for thought. If you got one of these, have a couple of spares of these.